Here we go. Say something. Introduce. We're going. We're live.
Hey, we are watching TV. So this is not nighttime.
No, it's evening time. And what have you got there?
It's buzzing. Where's your help push it?
Oh, it's stuck. There, now it should work. It's stuck.
Where's your help do it?
Okay, he's going to show me how to do it. These are buzzers from... I don't know the box.
Oh,
there it goes. Wow. These are just general buzzers we got from a thrift store. I don't know where the box is, but I think they're just called buzzers. And you can make buzzing sounds for anything you want, like a police siren, wrong answer, or a right answer. And that one, which is getting stuck.
Yeah, but what's that one? What's without for me so it can get better? What's without, sir?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so that was the way.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Thomas.
He's wearing a Thomas.
We get rid of the green one because that was stuck.
Yeah, but those are cool. These are cool. That's a police siren, a wrong answer, and a right answer. See?
Okay.
Alright. Now we just wanted to show them that. We'll make another video of something else. But these are the buzzers we just got and we're super proud of them.
But I just showed this.
Say, give us a big thumbs up. We'll make a new video of it, okay? Give us a big thumbs up and share and like. Whoa!
We showed this
That's a
one.
good one. That's the yellow one. Wrong answer.
Wrong answer!
Alright. Yay! That's the police siren, and this one is the right answer.
No, that's sharks.
That's a what?
A shark's right answer.
A shark?
No, it's sharks.
A charge?
Yeah, sharks one.
Oh, okay. Alright. Well, there's 4 total. The green one's having trouble right now, but he's got many toys, and the house is a mess full of his toys. But we just got a new Thomas toy too, but we'll do a whole nother video on that. Alright. Thank you for watching. Give us a big thumbs up or whatever they say on YouTube. Goodbye.